Jubi and Otsutsuki are two alien species, wandering around the universe to consume planets. Otsutsukis, as the advanced species, utilize Jubi in their conquest, perpetuating this cycle over and over again. But is their relationship really that simple? I, for one, don't think so. I think the two are a lot closer than you might believe, and I believe that Otsutsukis actually come from Jubi, an idea I've been floating around for quite some time, that I'm now convinced of with the introduction of the Humanoid Shinju. Jubi, Shinju, Humanoid Shinju, and Otsutsuki form a single evolutionary circle, with the Jubi as the starting point. Let's break this down. The Jubi is a mindless beast, driven purely by the instinct to consume chakra. Its purpose seems simple: absorb as much chakra as possible. And once it consumes an Otsutsuki, or maybe just enough chakra in general, it evolves into the Shinju, or God Tree. The God Tree absorbs the planet's energy and sucks out all the chakra and genetic information from every living being, creating a chakra fruit. This fruit is the ultimate prize, a collection of all the planet's chakra and genetic information, causing the Otsutsuki, or anyone who consumes it, to evolve. Jubi, Shinju, and Otsutsuki are all obsessed with chakra, which also serves as the basis for their evolution. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The Otsutsuki rely on the Shinju to produce these chakra fruits, yet for the Shinju to evolve, it needs to consume an Otsutsuki. It's a symbiotic, almost parasitic relationship, hinting at deeper connections. In Boruto, 2 Blue Vortex, we were introduced to the Humanoid Shinju. These beings, unlike the God Tree, are self-aware, capable of communication, and possess distinct personalities. They emerged when the Jubi was influenced by Code's karma, which contains Ishiki Otsutsuki's chakra. This was less than feeding an entire Otsutsuki to it, but still enough to push the Jubi into evolving into a humanoid God Tree after Claw Grimes consumed some specific shinobis. These humanoid Shinju have a unique drive. They are obsessed with consuming chakra, but they focus on specific targets, including the Otsutsuki themselves. By consuming their targets, they will likely gain crucial information, likely about their own nature. Where consuming an Otsutsuki will enable them to evolve into a perfected God Tree, capable of absorbing all chakra from all living beings on a planet. So far, though, from what we've seen of the humanoid Shinju, they do share some similarities with Otsutsuki, in part. Their humanoid nature, ability to fly, utilizing ninjutsu and their ocular prowess. So here's the theory that suggests an evolutionary path. Imagine an ancient Jubi, mutated by a rare anomaly on an energy-rich planet. This mutation allowed it to partially evolve without an Otsutsuki, absorbing vast amounts of chakra, either from the planet or some other species present on it, and it developed a rudimentary sentience. As this proto-humanoid Shinju evolves, it gains more intelligence and a humanoid form, driven by the instinct to consume more chakra. Over millennia, this being transformed into the first Otsutsuki, a highly intelligent, powerful entity. This evolution occurred through the slow and direct absorption of chakra, without producing a chakra fruit. Realizing the potential of the Jubi, the newly evolved Otsutsuki began planting Jubi seeds on new planets, ensuring the cycle continued. In the absence of other Otsutsuki, they might have forced other Jubi to develop into Shinju through their own chakra or other means. This hypothetical path suggests that the Otsutsuki are not a separate species that discovered the Jubi, but rather they evolved from it. The Jubi's primal drive to consume chakra and the Shinju's role in producing chakra fruits are steps in this evolutionary journey, leading to the emergence of the Otsutsuki. The key to this theory lies in the occurrence of a rare mutation within the Jubi and the unique environmental factors that facilitated this transformation. The accumulation of chakra and genetic information, along with a critical mass of consumed energy, allowed the proto-humanoid Shinju to evolve into the first Otsutsuki. In conclusion, this theory redefines our understanding of the Otsutsuki, suggesting they are part of a continuous evolutionary cycle that began with the Jubi. This perspective not only bridges the gap between these forms, but also provides a coherent explanation for their shared obsession with chakra and their evolutionary processes. By understanding this cycle, we gain deeper insights into the motivations and origins of the Otsutsuki, enriching the narrative of the Boruto series and offering a fascinating new angle on these powerful beings. As the story of Two Blue Vortex continues, we are sure to learn more about the origins and evolutions of both the humanoid Shinju and the Otsutsuki.